The topic is evaluating inverse trig functions. So let's do this example. Find the exact value of tangent inverse of 1 over square root of 3. If we look at the definition says tangent inverse of a number x is equal to an angle y. So we're looking for an angle if tangent of that angle is equal to x and the angle is between negative pi over 2 and pi over 2. So we need to evaluate tangent inverse of 1 over square root of 3. So we're going to call this a y and use definition. We're looking for the angle y, but we know that tangent of that angle is equal to 1 over square root of 3. And we know the angle is between negative pi over 2 and pi over 2. What does that mean? That means it's either here or between negative pi over 2 and pi over 2. Remember, this is y negative and this is the angle positive. Now we're looking for tangent. We know that tangent is positive, so it has to be this case. It can't be here because here tangent is negative. So it has to be here in this quadrant. So tangent is equal to 1 over square root of 3 means this is 1, this is square root of 3. So by looking at this triangle, we know this is 2. Not only that, we know that this is alpha, the angle of reference is 30 degrees. So my y is 30 degrees. So I go back here and just say 30 degrees. That's the angle I'm looking for. Now what about the next example? Same thing. Tangent inverse is equal, I'm looking for tangent inverse of square root of 3. I'm going to call it y, and this is what I'm looking for. And I know the tangent, the y has to be here or right there. But since tangent is positive, again I'm using this quadrant. So square root of 3, remember square root of 3, this means tangent of y is equal to square root of 3, and then y is between, oops, not included, negative pi over 2 and pi over 2. So this has to be square root of 3, same thing as square root of 3, 1. So this is 1. So this has to be 2. Looking at this triangle, this has to be, well, this has to be 60 degrees. So the answer will be tangent inverse of square root of 3 is 60 degrees. And that's it for this example.